Good morning, student. Today we will do the revision of our first unit, Changing Stream and Career in Physical Education. First, we will understand the meaning of physical educations and what are the career available in physical education. To understand the meaning of physical educations, first we will understand the meaning of education. Because education has a wider meaning. Education, it is a process of learning which which modify our behavior, or we can say education, it is a process of gaining knowledge for the improvement of human being. If we get a knowledge, it will modify our behavior, it will improve the human being. And education and physical means any body movement or body action. So physical educations means educations through body actions. Okay, physical educations means gaining knowledge through body action which modify our behavior. Physical education, it is an integral part of general educations as it improves physical activities which help to achieve wholesome, that is complete development of an individual. Physical educations help an individual to develop the body and mind, and also helps to develop his personality. It helps to develop the persons physically, mentally, socially, emotionally, which improve the personality of an individual. And also physical education helps to develop good health of an individual. Physical education, it is a vast subject and it has been given importance from age. Modern trend has increased the importance as modern physical educations stress on balanced development of body and mind. And physical education, it is also used by other subjects for better understanding. Physical educations physical education, this is the meaning of physical education. Okay, physical education, combination of two words, physical and education. Education means gaining knowledge or learning, gaining knowledge. It is education means a process of learning or the process of gaining knowledge which modify our behavior. And physical means any body movement or body actions. So physical education means education or gaining knowledge through body action which modify our behavior. Definition of physical education. Physical educations, according to J.B. Nas, physical education is that field of education which deal with big muscle activity and their related process. Okay, according to J.B. Nas, physical education means educations which deal with big muscle activity and their related response. According to AFOD, American Airlines Health Physical Education and Resource. Physical education is the way of education through physical activity which are selected and carry on with regard value in growth, development and behavior of an individual. Okay, physical education means education through physical activity which help in development, which help in growth, development and behavior of an individual. So from the above definitions, we can say that physical education is not only limited to game and sports or exercise. Okay, physical education is not only limited to games, sports or exercise. It's aimed at complete development of the personality of an individual through physical activity. Okay, physical educations aim at complete development of personality of an individual through physical activity. What is the aim of physical education? The aim of physical education's aim means the ultimate goal, and it is usually one. Okay, aim is one, that is ultimate goal. What is the goal of physical education? The goal of physical education, the aim of physical education is complete development of an individual. Okay, complete development of a human personality. The aim of physical education is complete development of a human personality. And the objective, what is the objective of physical education's aim? Aim is the ultimate goal, and it is one. And objectives, to achieve the aim, we have to achieve the objectives, and the objective change from time to times. There are many objectives which help to achieve the aim of physical educations, and this objective change from time to times. Objective of physical educations are physical development, social development, emotional development, psychological development. These are the four main objectives of physical education. By achieving this objective, we can achieve the aim of physical education. That is the aim of physical education, that is complete development of human personality. According to J.B. Nash, the objective of physical education is neuromuscular development, emotional development, interpretive development, and organic development. According to H.C. Burke, objective of physical education is organic development, development of neuromuscular coordinations, development of psychological balance, development of social attitude and conduct, development of healthy habit, etc. These are the some objective of physical education. And the main objectives of physical education: physical development, psychological development, social development, and emotional development. First, neuromuscular development. Neuromuscular development, it is concerned with better coordination between nervous system and muscular system. If we do exercise, if we do physical activity, it helps in better neuromuscular development. Good neuromuscular development helps in better coordinations and helps to keep away fatigue during various activity, improve working with various requirement and tools. Cognitive development, or we can say intellectual development. Intellectual development means development of creative idea, thinking, development of communication skill, development of um, right judgment, literacy skill, right thinking, language skill, etc. These are the cognitive development. And physical activity helps in cognitive development. Participants are required to follow the rules and regulations of the specific sports and apply that rules in the sports according to the situation in the sports. And research has proved that good sports persons have high IQ levels. They have ability to use their idea in a proper, in a adequate time. First, let's discuss about physical development. Physical development to achieve physical development. First, to achieve the aim of physical educations, we have to achieve the objective of physical education. The first objective is physical development. According to this objective, body should grow in a proper way, and physical activity helps in development of body in a proper way, because our body is like a machine which grow and develop if we do activity. If we do physical activity, it's helping proper growth and development of our activity. It's helping better neuromuscular response. Neuromuscular response helps in um, uh, it's helps the body to grow in a proper way. It enhances the size, structure, shape, capacity of different organs which is good, which is uh, good for a healthy body. And physical activity must be performed for optimum growth. Okay, physical development. By participating in physical activity, it's help in physical development, proper development of a human body grow in a proper way if we participate in physical activity. It's help to develop body in a proper shape, size, structures, and also improve the capacity of different organs of our body to function properly, etc. And physical development helps to keep our body healthy, keep our mind strong. It's help to bring sound mind, etc. Next is psychological development. Psychological development means the development of positive thought, idea, behavior, attitude, etc. It helps in psychological balance of an individual's, that is balance of mental development. If we participate in physical activity, it's help in proper psychological development, that is balance development of an individual, balance mental development. If we do physical activity, it's help in balance mental development. This development give one personality by a good behaviors, because the development of positive mind enable the persons to overcome various challenges of our life in a good manner. This is the psychological development. Okay, psychology means the study of human behaviors, and psychological development helps in development of positive thought, idea, behaviors, attitude, etc. in a person. And this objective, if there is psychological development, there is balance development, there is balanced mental development, and it also helps to develop personality of an individual, because psychological development is a part of personality of an individual. Next is social development. Social development physical education. Physical educations provide large opportunity to participate, to interact with other individuals or group. Okay, physical physical activity, physical educations provide large opportunity to its participant to interact with others individuals, other peoples, etc. If they participate in tournament game, they will interact with the others people. So this give experience to learn social quality like cooperations, like cooperative behavior, friendship attitude, togetherness, honesty, sincerity, tolerance, ability to tolerate, adjustment, okay, ability to adjust with each others, develop leadership quality, boldness, self-control, self-discipline, etc. This type of social quality develop in a persons if they participate in physical activity. This objective helps to stop the evil of the society and bring up the progress of the country. And also social development helps an individual to be a ideal citizens and useful member of the society. Next is emotional development. Emotion development. Emotions are very important part of human uh, emotions are very important part for optimum development of man personality. Personality means it is personality. It is a typical patterns of person's thinking. Okay, personality means the patterns a person thinking, feeling, behaviors, his attitudes, which make a person's unique. Every individual have their own personality. How the persons think, how he feel, how he behave, etc. This is the part of personality. And emotion, this emotion, it is also the part of emotion. And emotional development helps, if there is proper development of emotions, it's help in optimum development of human personality. Emotions like love, anger, hate, jealousness, aggressiveness, cheerfulness, pleasures, anxiety, etc. are the part of human personality. Are the part of human personality. And physical educations. Physical educations provide a good opportunity to practice these emotions, which helps to bring, which help to achieve stability of the emotion. Okay, if physical educations provide opportunity to the participant to practice these emotions, which helps to stabilize the emotion. And physical education also um, teach to accept the success and failures in positive mind, which is also helpful throughout the life. These are the some objective of physical education. Okay, physical development, psychological development, emotional development, and social development. This is the main objective of physical educations. By achieving this objective, we can achieve the aim of physical education. Aim of physical education is complete development of human personality. Next is, what are the career available in physical educations? If you choose physical educations, what are the career available in physical educations? The first is teachers. You can be a teachers of physical educations. For teachers, you must be well qualified with satisfied degree or diploma. Okay, so first is, you can be a teachers of physical educations. You can be a coach, you can be a physical training instructors, yoga instructors, specialists or official of the game, sports journalists, communicators. You can be a dietitian, physiotherapist, biomechanics. You can also be a administrators or employee of different organizations. These are the career which are available in physical educations. Okay, you can be a teacher. To become a teacher, you should be well qualified with certified degree or diploma. And for coach, you must have a certified diploma from NIS in a game or sports. And physical training instructors, you you must have satisfied diploma after the class 12, and you also have good physical fitness. And a fitness trainers, to be a fitness trainers, you should have the experience about the needs of the group or team to give the fitness schedule. Specialist or the official of the game, you can be a official. To become a officials, you should be a good player, so that yoga instructors, to become a yoga instructor, you should have a proper knowledge of yoga, proper technique, how to perform yoga, etc. Sport journalist, you can be a sport journalist. Today media, newspaper, magazine, etc. and professionals, peoples of sports to perform journalists. Dietitians, you can be a dietitian because an educated physical educationist has good knowledge about the diet. Because sports persons have good knowledge about the diet, so they can so they can become a dietitians, and also they can be a physiotherapist because the knowledge of physical educations provide good experience of sports injury and their teammate. Biomechanics, they can be administrators, etc. And what are the courses available in physical educations? Various courses which are available in physical educations in India are BPA, Bachelor of Physical Educations, which is Bachelor of Physical Educations, which is of 4 years. Master of Physical Educations, 2-year course. Diploma in postgraduate diploma in fitness management, postgraduate diploma in sports management, postgraduate diploma in sports journalism, master degree in sports coaching, diploma course in sports coaching, certified course in sports coaching, and postgraduate diploma in sports medicine. These are the some course which are available in India. For what are the skill required for career in physical education? If you choose career in physical education, what skill you require? The first is interest in physical education. You should have to choose a career in physical education. You must have interest and positive attitude towards the game and sports. Good personality. One should a good personality. You should have good personality, good health, because you are in sports. Therefore, you must be a physically healthy, good personality. You should have sound mind. Okay, so that you think positive. You should think creative mind. You are able to control your emotion, mental stability, so that you can take a right decision. Good sports performance. One should have played and performed well at district, state or national level competitions. You should have leadership quality. If you want to career in physical education, you must have leadership quality so that you can lead your group. Good organization ability. You should have good organization skill, commanding voice, commanding power, etc. so that you can organize the tournament or program. Dedications. You must have dedications towards the program and sports at every levels. Sportsmanship spirit. The person should have sportsmanship spirit like honesty, togetherness, self-discipline, friendship, loyalty, faithful, etc. These are the sportsmanship spirit which you must have. Knowledge about the diet, posture. For career in physical education, you must have knowledge about a posture. Posture means the positions of the body. You must have correct postures and good knowledge about the diet. Knowledge about sports medicine. You must have knowledge about sports medicine. Sports medicine, it is a branch of medicine that deal with diagnosis, treatment and preventions of injury related to sports. Therefore, you must have knowledge about the sports and sports exercise, knowledge about body system and sports. You should have knowledge about various body system, how they work, its working, its function, etc. Knowledge of good institution. You must have knowledge about good institutions and the course offered there. And consultation with consult with your seniors, good achievers, so that you can choose a better career in that field. These are the some skills which are required in physical education. Okay, interest in physical education, good personality, sound mind, sports performance, leadership quality, knowledge about diet, posture, sports medicine, sports exercise, knowledge about body system, good institution, etc. These are the skills which you require. Khelo India program. Khelo India program. This program has been introduced to revive the sports cultures in India. Okay, the Khelo India program, it is introduced to revive the sports cultures in India at a grassroots levels by building a strong framework for all the sports played in the country and establish India as a great sports nation. Okay, Khelo India program. This program is introduced to re-establish the sports cultures in India by sports cultures in India at a grassroots levels by building a strong framework for all the sports which are played in our country. And this Khelo India program, it was introduced by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has introduced the Khelo India program to uplift the sports cultures at grassroots levels by building a strong framework for all the sports that are played in our country. And the first Khelo India program, program was held in 2018, 31st to 8 February 2018 in Delhi. In Khelo India program, this Khelo India program is for the athletes under 17-year age, and first Khelo India program was held in 2018 in which 16 discipline sports. Okay, and in Khelo India program, the talented players were identified in practice sports discipline at various levels by high power committee by high power committee will be provide the annual finances assessment of rupees 5 lakh per annum for the 8 years. Okay, this the main aim of Khelo India program is to uplift the by sports cultures by making the grassroots levels strong. He find out the talented players and provide financial support of rupees 5 lakh per annum for 8 years, and this program is for children with under 17-year age, and the first Khelo India was held in Delhi in 1918. In that only 16 games was 16 discipline, which are archery, athletics, badminton, and so on. The objectives of Khelo India program is playfield development of playground, providing coaching, providing state levels Khelo India centers to provide training and coaching to support national to support the national and state regional academic, to provide financial support to motivate and encourage the women to participate in the sports, and also motivate the disabled person to participate in game, helps to bring peace. Okay, sports for peace, and this are the some objective of Khelo India program.